950 watts E rating. This model is just a microwave. It doesn't have any grilling functionality in it. It's very easy to use, very basic. You've just got on the top here, you've got your power setting, and you've also got your automated functions on the bottom. To be quite frank, I don't know how they work because I've never used them. I always just use power settings and just set the time. You've got the push button knob here to set your time, and obviously you would use it for the automated functions too.